So, hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary. Today I will talk about some home based business ideas. Home chocolate business, no matter what. Chocolates will never go out of demand. May it be any occasion or event, chocolates are must. With little investment in the raw material, you can start a home based business of making chocolates. Homemade chocolates have a huge demand in the market. Now, I will talk about recruitment services. Recruitment service is one of the most lucrative business idea today. And in today's time, all you got to do is shortlisting, selecting, and appointing suitable candidates for jobs at the comfort of your house and earn great commission out of it from the company. Tailoring, fashion, and lifestyle today are one of the most money making businesses. If you are a housewife or want to earn some extra income, then you can start tailoring service at home. All you need to have is a sewing machine and some fashion sense. Tiffin services. Providing food has become a major business in industrial areas. For some working professionals who are unable to cook at home or who stay away from home in other cities, tiffin services becomes a convenient option. You can use your kitchen to cook fresh food and start this profitable business. Hobby class. If you want to enjoy doing a business, start a hobby class. You know one thing, today parents want their kids to learn as many things as they can and not waste time hopping around in the sun. You can start a hobby class for dance, music, craft based on the skill you possess. The best time to earn in this business is during the summer vacations. Now, I will talk about yoga class. The wellness industry is growing in India. In this fast paced life, people want to give some time to themselves and attain peace. You can start yoga classes at home and train individuals to live a healthy life with just a little investment. Now, I will talk about insurance agent. If you possess good communication skills and have great convincing power, be an insurance agent. You know one thing, with little investment, you can start this business. There cannot be any other easy way to learn to earn a good commission than selling insurance policies. Now I will talk about MLM, network marketing. You know, multi-level marketing or network marketing is a business where you need to sell products and services of an associated company to earn profits. The income also includes a percentage of income from the sales group which is recruited by you. This is completely a referral business and you can operate from home also. Now, I will talk about Marriage Bureau, one of the most productive business for housewives and retired individuals is Marriage Bureau. You just have to meet and greet people, and with little investment, you can run this business from home. Now, I will talk about medical sample collection. If you have marginal knowledge about the blood group and various medical procedures, you can start this business. It only requires you to collect body fluid samples, and one more thing is provide them to a pathologic clinic near you. This is a less competitive business and can be started in a small place. Is it? So thank you so much guys. Be happy, take care, and share this video to everyone to motivate them, to inspire them, to help everybody. Thank you so much.